Okay, lesson 60 is going to be percent decrease. So if you remember the formula from the other lesson, which was percent increase, it was, the do now is going to help us with that. It's new value minus old divided by old times 100. So the weight of a new kitten in the month of May went from 7 pounds to 10 pounds. So the new would be 10, the old would be 7. So new minus old, 10 minus 7, divided by the old, times 100. So we got our calculators. 10 minus 7 is 3, divided by 7, times 100. So we'll round it to the nearest tenth, so 42.9%. 2. The number of hours Emily worked went from 30 to 40 hours. New would be 40. Olds would be 30 hours. So it's 40 minus 30 divided by 30 times 100. Well, we know 40 minus 30 is 10 divided by 30 times 100. So 10 divided by 30 gives us 0.3 repeating times 100 be 33.33%, or 33.3%, whatever you want to round to. So what does the word decrease mean? Decrease means to go down, right? So now our answer is going to be smaller than our original. How do we make a percent to a decimal? We move the decimal 2 times to the left. Now, if we're talking about decrease, should our answer be smaller or larger than the original? Well, decrease means to go down. So it should be smaller than our original. So here's the formula from the other day, percent of change, which we used in the do now. New minus old divided by old times 100. The only difference this time, if it's negative, it's going to be a decrease. So our answer should be in the negatives, so that we know we're talking about a decrease. Okay, let's look at the following problems together. So I'm just going to write out our formula up here. New minus old divided by old times 100. So a sweater is marked down from $25 to $19. So our new price is the 19. The old price, which was the original, is 25. So it's still the same. New minus old over old, which is 25, times 100. So 19 minus 25 will give us a negative 6 divided by 25 times 100. So negative 6 divided by 25 times 100. So it's negative 24%. So it's a 24% decrease. Since our answer was negative, 24% decrease. Let's look at B. A slice of pizza in 2015 costs $3. In 2020, the slice costs $2.50. So our new price is $2.50. Old was $3. So $2.50 minus $3 divided by 3 times 100. So 2.50 minus 3 gives us negative 0.5, negative 0.50 divided by 3 times 100. So negative 0.50 divided by 3 times 100. So it's negative 16.7%. So we have 16.7% decrease. C. A Blu-ray player was $150. It was on sale, so sale means it's going to go down, for $100. So our new price is the sale price, which is $100. Old price was the original, which is $150. So new, 100, minus old, divided by old, times 100. So 100 minus 150 gives us negative 50. Divide by 150 times 100. So negative 50 divided by 150 times 100. So it's negative 33.3%. So since it's negative, we know it's a decrease. %33.3% decrease. D. Last year, the William Floyd Middle School debate team had 25 members. This year, they have 18 members. So our new amount is how many they have this year, which is 18. The old amount was how many they had last year, was 25. So 18 minus 25 divided by 25 times 100. 18 minus 25 gives us negative 7 divided by 25 times 100. So negative 7 divided by 25 gives us that times 100. So it's negative 28%. So since it's negative, we know it's a decrease. E. At Target, an item went on sale from $8 to $2.50. So our new price is $2.50. Old was $8. So $2.50 minus $8 over $8 times 100. $2.50 minus 8, you get negative 5.5. Divide by 8 times 100. Negative 5.5 divided by 8 times 100. So it's negative 68.75. So we know it's a decrease. So 68.75% decrease. And F. On Long Island, in 2018, the total rainfall was 14.5 inches. In 2019, the total rainfall was 8.9 inches. So our new amount was 8.90 or 8.9 inches. The old amount was 14.5 or 14.50 inches. So 8.90 minus 14.50 divided by the old, which was 14.50, times 100. So 8.90 minus 14.50, you get negative 5.6, divide by 14.50 times 100. So negative 5.6 divided by 14.50 times 100. So negative 38.6%. So since it's negative, we know it's a decrease.